video, we're going to show you how to set up a 12-lead electrocardiogram, also known as an ECG or EKG. In a 12-lead ECG, you will need 10 electrodes. 4 of the electrodes will be used for the upper and lower limbs. These electrodes will be labeled right and left arm and right and left leg. The rest of the 6 electrodes will be spread across the chest, and these are labeled V1 through V6. These 10 electrodes will provide 12 images of the heart's electrical activity. Due to the innervation of the heart, a normal pulse will begin in the right atrium with the SA node, then continue downwards in a diagonal towards the left ventricle to stimulate the AV node, the branches of the AV node, and the Purkinje fibers surrounding the ventricles. Understanding this will help us read the ECG and provide reasoning for why we have upward and downward measurements. Simply put, as the electrical activity of the heart moves towards an electrode, this will display a positive measurement, moving the ECG line upwards. Conversely, movement away from the electrodes provides a negative measurement, moving the ECG line downwards. Now that we understand the basics, let's move on to placing the electrodes on our patient.
Okay, first we will start with cleaning the body with alcohol swabs to ensure the body is clean and the electrodes will stick properly. Next, we will do the first 4 electrodes. 2 will go on the arms and 2 will go on the legs. The arm electrodes can be placed anywhere between the upper chest quadrant and the elbow. In this video, we will be placing it on the shoulders. The leg electrodes can be placed anywhere between the ankle and the torso. For this video, we will be placing them just above the ASIS. Now we will be doing the precordial electrodes. The first one is called V1 and is placed in the 4th intercostal space to the right of the sternum. The second one is called V2 and is placed in the 4th intercostal space to the left of the sternum. Next, we will skip V3 and place V4 in the 5th intercostal space at the mid-clavicular line. Then we will place V3 between V4 and V2. We will also skip V5 and place V6 at the mid-axillary line at the same level as V4. And then finally, we will place V5 between V6 and V4. For the final part of setting up an ECG, we will connect the leads to their proper electrodes. Each lead should be labeled as shown in this picture.